everyone, I am Karen from Charming Bird Creations, and today I'm going to be making a summer deco mesh bee wreath using this welcome sign that I got from Sims Pottery. I have two types of mesh that I'm going to be using. One is from Sims Pottery and the other one is from Hobby Lobby. I have a 16-inch wreath form that I got from Hobby Lobby. To make my bow, I have a variety of 1.5 and 2.5 inch wired ribbon. And I'm also going to be using some of this ribbon to make the ribbon tails for my wreath. For decorations, I picked out these ball picks that I got from Carolina Pottery, as well as these little bees. Some other supplies that you're going to need are hot glue. You're going to need some wire cutters, pipe cleaners, scissors, a rotary cutter, a staple gun. To make my bow, I'm going to be using Probow the Hand. And the mesh I'm going to cut into 20-inch lengths. For the ribbon tails, I'm going to be cutting that into 12-inch lengths. And if you have any questions about anything that I do today, please leave me a message in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible with an answer. You can also follow Charming Bird Creations on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. The item that I'm making today will be available for sale in my Etsy store, and I will put all of the links below in the description, as well as the complete supply list of everything that I used today. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and get started.